5 iPhone battery saving tips. Here are 5 effective iPhone battery saving tips that are easy to follow and should help improve battery life. So let's get started. First one is enable low power mode. Simply go to the settings app on your mobile device. Inside settings, scroll down and tap on the battery option available there. After you tap on the battery, you will get to see low power mode option available there. Simply toggle it on in the battery section of your settings. This reduces background activity, turns off visual effects and adjusts settings to conserve batteries. Now go back to the settings again, tap on general, then look for the background app refresh, then tap on the background app refresh, and if it is toggled on then simply toggle it off. Turn off this feature for apps that don't need to update in the background, or you can disable whole background app refresh. After you do so, lower your screen brightness or enable auto brightness. All you have to do is go to the settings again. Inside there, look for the display and brightness option available there. Now, simply lower down your brightness or tap on the auto brightness option available there to save your battery. Now go back to the settings again and look for the privacy and security option available there. Tap on it. Then go to the location services and disable location tracking for apps that don't need it, or you can simply turn off whole location services. After you do so, again go back to the settings. Then tap on the notification and limit push notifications. Turn off unnecessary push notifications as they can drain battery life. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.